Moatlhodi wa kgotla ya ditsheko ya Gaborone Zane ke bonang o ntshitse taolo ya gore baeteledipele le maloko otlhe a dikereke tsa St. Agnes Zion Christian Church mono Botswana ba neng ba kubilwe ba busediwe mo kerekeng ka ponyo ya leitlho. Moatlhodi ke bonang a re maloko ao a tshwanetse go busediwa go sena ditsitlana dipe tse di tla kgoreletsang go boela ga bone. O nkutlwile Thamaga wa bega.
Dingwaga maloko a kereke ya St. Agnes Zion Christian Church mo Botswana a itana ka noga yutlwa tlhoka kutlwisano eo e simotse moraga gore baeteledipele bangwe ba kereke eo ba kubiwe ke setlhopha sengwe se se ne se dumela ba sa tsamaise dilo sentle ba kubilweng ba ne ba ikuela ko kgotleng ya ditsheko go gwetla tshwetso eo e re kgotla e ne solofetse go ntsha maduo a sekaseko a yone a tiragalo eo babueledi ba setlhopha se se kubileng ba bangwe ba ne ba tlhalosetsa moatlhodi Zane ke bonang fa ba boela morago tshwetso ya bone ba tlhaloseditse lekgotla fa ba tshwere tumalano ya moeteledipele wa kereke ya St. Agnes ZCC Bishop Dr. Joseph Agnes Lekganyane e nankola maina a maloko a tlhophilweng go etela diphuthego ka go farologana mo Botswana. Moeledi wa bangongoregi o ganne tumalano a tlhalosetsa lekgotla fa ba tla kopa go kopana le Bishop Lekganyane matlho a phage a lebane go buisana ka tumalano eo fela moatlhodi ke bonang o ne a ba tlhalosetsa fa seo se ka se diragale mme a tlhola gore botlhe ba neng ba kubilwe ba busediwe boloko jwa bone mo kerekeng eo ka ponyo ya leitlho ebile go sena makgwere ape. O ne a laela gape gore makgamo o mabedi a tshwaragang le phuthego ya go risa maloko a kereke ao go rala lefatshe leno le go rera kagiso.
The High Court of Botswana has handed down a significant ruling in a case involving internal conflicts within the St. Agnes Church, ordering that all members who were previously expelled from the church must be reinstated immediately. This ruling follows months of tension within the St. Agnes congregations, where several members were removed after disagreements with church leadership. The disputes reportedly involved issues of governance, decision-making processes, and alleged abuse of authority. Feeling that their removal was unjust and unconstitutional, the expelled members approached the High Court in Botswana, arguing that the church did not follow due processes. Now, after reviewing the matter, the court agreed. The High Court ruled that the expulsion were unfair and violated the church's own internal rules. Now, according to the judgment, the court leadership did not follow the disciplinary procedures outlined in the church constitution. They failed to provide written notices to the affected members, did not give the accused individuals a fair chance to respond or defend themselves, acted in a manner that violated principles of natural justice. The court therefore declared the expulsion unlawful and invalid, ordering that all members be allowed to return to the church with immediate effect. In delivering the verdict, the presiding judge emphasized that although churches operate as spiritual institutions, they must still uphold fairness and transparency. The judge noted that no religious body has the authority to disregard their procedure. Every individual has the right to be heard before any action is taken against them. The judgment has sparked widespread discussion amongst the religious community in Botswana. Supporters of the expelled members hailed the ruling as a victory for justice and accountability. They believe the decision will strengthen transparency in church governance. On the other hand, some within the St. Agnes leadership expressed concern that the ruling might intensify existing divisions lead to further dispute within their congregations. Meanwhile, reinstated members have expressed hope for reconciliation, calling on the church to embrace unity and healing moving forward. The High Court encouraged both the church leadership and its members to put the conflict behind them and work towards restoring peace within the congregation. Whether this ruling marks the beginning of healing or the start of further disputes remain to be unseen, but the nature of the St. Agnes Church will depend heavily on how its members choose to move forward from this moment.